So, check this out. Rotations are the transformation that's the trickiest, at least for me, and for most students it seems to be the trickiest. So, between watching some other videos and trying to figure out some ways to make this a little bit more organized so you can have something to follow, here's what I've come up with. For 90-degree rotations, check this out. A couple facts you got to know. Perpendicular lines make 90 degrees, right? Perpendicular lines make 90 degrees, and I also know that for perpendicular lines, the slopes are negative reciprocals. Slopes y over x, right? So slopes are negative reciprocals. So one thing we can do to do a 90-degree rotation is we can use these two facts. So check this out. Let's rotate this triangle, P, 90 degrees clockwise about the origin, which is right here. Right? So I'm going to do it one point at a time. So I'm going to do from C to the origin. It has a slope of 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you guys see how I did that? I just counted it, right? So, like this line right here, this little line segment, has a slope of 2 over 4, right? So the reciprocal of that would be negative 4 over 2. You follow me? And the reason I'm doing this is because perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals. So this is y over x. So y over x, right? So that means if I went down 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1, 2, that's where that gets moved to. See? Those are perpendicular. These blue lines are not part of the transformation, but I'm just showing you that it's going 90 degrees. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. I did something silly. What did I do? Oh, I know what I did. You know what I did? What's wrong with this? Say it again, George? I went counterclockwise. So where should it be? We should be up here. How far? I should go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and left 1, 2. Ah! I did not do that on purpose. That was on accident. You see what's wrong with this? That's 90 degrees the wrong way. So that still has a slope that's negative 4 over 2. Okay, let's do A. So A to the origin, let's see, that's going to be down 2, right? And over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So the new one's going to be positive 5 over 2. And again, that's y over x. So starting at the origin, go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2 right there. That's for A. So this will be A prime right there. So that's 90-degree rotation around the origin going clockwise. Well, so you see how I did that? You sure?
No, I kind of get it.
Kind of get it. All right, watch. From B to the origin, right? That's going to be down 1 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You follow me?
Yes.
And so the negative reciprocal of that is 9 over 1. So from the origin, I'm going to go up 9 and over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and over 1. There's my shape. Yes, Sam?
Why are you going X and then Y?
Because it's slope. Slope. Oh, thank you. What's this? Oh, I know what it is. Thank you. Because slope is rise over run. Because I'm counting slope. I'm not counting coordinates, I'm counting slope. And the reason I'm counting slope is because I'm rotating 90 degrees, right? And I know that the slope of perpendicular lines are negative reciprocals, and perpendicular lines also make 90-degree angles. So I need to turn this 90 degrees. So I could draw a line from each point to the origin, because the origin is the center of rotation. and draw a perpendicular line the same distance and then find my new point. Does that make sense? Yes, ma'am?
So where you have on the right, that's for the new shape, right?
Do you mean, wait, this and this?
No, the shape on the top.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's after this is rotated. Throw it away.
So you don't find that for the actual one?
Yeah, that's how you do it from each point. You rotate each point and then you connect the dots to make the shape. You can't do the whole shape all at once. Especially the more complicated the shape is. You can't just do it by like drawing it. You have to figure out where each point goes. So I'm rotating each point one at a time, 90 degrees. So this, and that's why I labeled this C and C prime, right? And A prime and B prime. So do you see how B is above A and C is to the left of A after I rotate it? So if I put my pencil or my pen right here and I rotate 90 degrees clockwise, same shape. Do you see? Do you see what I mean? Like that. Look at the orientation of A, B, and C. Okay, now I'm going to rotate this and see if it's got the same orientation. It does, right?
Well, I get that, but what are your first steps to move that shape over there?
This. I found the slope from C to the origin, and by counting the distance, right? And then I just took the negative reciprocal of that and counted the slope again. So check this out. I'm glad you asked that question. So let's do just this point right here. Let's call this point M for Michelle. Okay? Now let's rotate M 90 degrees counterclockwise. About what point? What point do you want to use?
3.
Say it again?
3.
3, 3? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Like this point right here? 3, 3. Okay. So we're going to rotate this point 90 degrees counterclockwise about the point 3, 3. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to find 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is my center of rotation right there. Right? That's what COR is short for. Okay. So from M to the center of rotation, let's see, the slope is going to be up 1 and left 2. So that's, yeah? That's a slope of negative 1/2 from here to here, right? Yeah? And so then the negative reciprocal of that is 2 over 1. So starting here, I'm going to go up 1, 2, and over 1. That's a 90-degree rotation. And if you don't see it, there it is. So I did that with each point. These lines aren't part of the rotation, it's just showing you how it's rotated. Does that make sense, Michelle? Are you sure? Are you sure you're sure? What's up, Monse?
And what was the center point for the first part?
The origin.
Oh.
0, 0. Yeah. What other questions? No other questions? Yes, Felipe.
I found it difficult, like finding, like when you show the rotation, like finding the point where it's rotating.
Finding the point, the center of rotation is very tricky. Yeah, we'll work on that more of that. We'll work more with that later. Yeah. Okay. All right, boys and girls.